I wore a matching sweater just for this. I honestly don't even know how to feel, to be honest. Like, it feels kind of unreal. It literally feels surreal, like I'm at a loss for words. When I get that feeling, I need sexual healing. I've wanted to get a Ferrari since 2017. It was on my vision board. I could have afforded one in 2020 when I made my first million, but I delayed it. I delayed gratification for 5 years. And today, you know, I finally decided in 2025, in October, I was like, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna finally fulfill my vision board. It's funny because I was really nervous coming here. I was like, I don't know. It goes pretty much against everything that I believe in, because I always believe in get a house, get an asset that produces income for you, invest in the stock market, put it away for retirement, get Bitcoin. All of those assets will appreciate, but then a car is not really an asset per se in the classic sense because it depreciates a lot. But, you know, fuck it, toys. So I'm excited. Ooh, oh wow, look at the inside. No.
Oh, you haven't?
I've actually never stepped inside the car. I've never sat inside.
Inside is sexy, bro.
That's a clean car, man.
Yeah, right?
Butter guts.
Yeah.
Tour de France blue.
Congratulations, bro.
Thank you, man.
This thing is clean.
Solid. That's pretty sweet. Just
Take
feels...
it easy on her, huh?
Yeah, take it easy on her. I was asking him, like, yo, should I just, like, how many miles a year should you drive it? He's like, dude, you fucking earned it. Just drive the shit out of it, you know?
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, that's how I feel. But then when I was talking to, like, the person who was doing my financing, you know, everyone else, they're like, oh, be careful, don't drive it too much. This car has only 3,000 miles on it. It's a 2021. It's a 4-year-old car.
Yeah, it'll probably drop, like 30K on.
Yeah, easy, easy.
So how did you get into mindset?
Mindset. So I was gonna work a 9-to-5 job. It was in college, like senior year of college, and I started making YouTube videos. And then, you know, they started taking off, and people started to reach out to me. They're like, "Yo, do you do coaching?" And I'm like, "I didn't know this was an avenue that you could like sell info." And then that's, you know, I got into like info selling and like grew it to like 100K a month in my first year of doing it. And I was like, fuck a job.
No,
like, what am I doing?
Seriously.
Yeah.
Is there anything specific that got you into mindset? Like, did you go through anything?
Well, so I read this book called Reality Transurfing, and like personally, I was just.
I need to read that book.
You need to read that book. And everyone needs to read that book. But basically, it's like this Russian quantum physicist who like isolates himself. He wrote this like fucking Bible of manifestation. He's just saying like how your thought frequency resonates at a particular sector of reality. And if you stay there by having like a coherence in your heart and mind, your thoughts and feelings, then you make a shift to that aspect, that layer of reality. Yeah. And if you stay in it long enough, that frequency will materialize and you'll get attracted. Right? You'll get attracted to that sector of reality.
My friend actually told me that there was like 2 different versions of the book. I don't know if I have the right one.
The original one's like
Transurfing in 78 days.
No, that's not the right one.
That's not the one,
no,
right?
No. There's like Transurfing books like 1 through 8 or 1 through 7. That's the right one. That's the original like Bible. Gotcha. I would read that, and then I would read this other one he wrote called Tufty the Priestess. Okay. That's a good one too. That's like more technical. I'll send it to you.
Otherwise I'm gonna get lost.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not reading the right thing.
Yeah, no. I think you'll like it.
The other one, and my friend was like, "That's not the right one."
Yeah, yeah.
I was like, "Oh."
I think you'll really resonate with it because it's very logical. Like for people like us who are left-brained and like, you know, we still believe in like there's something greater, but it's like all the woo-woo shit doesn't make sense, right?
I think most people don't understand it unless it's actually happening personally.
Yes.
Where you like actually manifest something that you've been thinking about and like working towards, right? You're like, damn,
bro, I had this on my vision board for like 6, 8, almost a decade. You know?
But people just, they want the short term.
Yeah.
They want the short term.
They chase the meme coins, bro.
Exactly. And it's just like, don't focus on how long it's going to take.
Yeah.
Right? Just work slowly towards it, and eventually it's going to happen.
Enjoy the process.
Exactly.
Fall in love with the process. One day you're going to lift your head up. You're going to be like, oh, fuck, I can afford a Ferrari now.